Hello, kids! Today we're going to learn 3 super important math skills. That is, add, subtract, multiply. Addition. Here's one frog, and here's another frog. How many frogs altogether? Let's count. 1, 2. That's 1 plus 1 equals 2 frogs. You have 2 strawberries. Your friend gives you 1 more. How many do you have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's 2 plus 1 equals 3 strawberries. Three fish are swimming, and 2 more join. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Subtraction.
You have 3 cupcakes. You eat 1. Yum! How many are left? 1, 2.
3 minus 1 equals 2.
Five kids are on the bus. 2 get off at the park. Bye! How many are still on the bus? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3.
Multiplication.
You have 2 school bags. Each one has 2 pencils. How many pencils altogether? 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's 2 groups of 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 plates. Each plate has 2 cookies. Let's count all the cookies. 2, 4, 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. Great job, math magician! You learned to add, subtract, and multiply. Let's shout it out together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4.